Welcome to the Blogsy Centaur update video. Okay, let's get started. First, one of the things we added is IBM Connections support. So if you're an IBM Connections user, now you can use Blogsy to post to your blog. Another thing that we added that we're really excited about, if you notice over here, we have the little envelope. That's right, Blogsy now has email support. So you write up what you want your email to look like. You can use all the formatting options, images, and you just tap on that and it pulls up the email interface with your blog post, all ready to be emailed out. We're really excited about that one. So, for example, if you want to send an email to family and friends and make it interactive or make it very beautiful, you can do that. If you want to post to a blog platform, which Blogsy currently doesn't support, as long as your blogging platform has the ability to email to post, then you can use Blogsy to post to your blog. And there really are a lot of other things you can do with this. For example, MailChimp. MailChimp has the ability for you to send an email and then it will be sent out to all your subscribers. So we're really excited about being able to offer this and add this to Blogsy. And we're using it like crazy. We love the thing. There is something you need to know when it comes to videos. So let's get a video. Okay, let's pull that in. Okay, drop the video. Okay, let's look. Right now it's set to iframe, but let's set it to old embed code. If you choose to use the old embed code, you're going to have problems with email. So let's tap on the email. You're going to get this message. iOS strips out that code for the old embed video code. So if you're going to use a video in email, it has to be iframe. So you could cancel the email and then go and make the manual change yourself through the menu, or you can just tap convert to iframe, and then will automatically convert that for you, and then you just use the iframe. If you're posting to your blog through email, then you shouldn't have any problem. Your blog should recognize the HTML code and the video will show up on your blog. But if you're sending the email to someone that's going to receive it via email through services like Gmail or Yahoo or a couple examples, they can't get the video because those blogging or those email services, they don't recognize the HTML for embedded videos. So in that case, what you're going to need to do is actually create a link to the video and not actually embed the video. So something you need to be aware of. Okay, let's delete this draft. That's some big stuff. We also added, let's see here, for Blogger, we added page support. So now you can edit and create pages for Blogger. Let's see, also YouTube videos. These first three videos are actually unlisted. This video is actually private. So if you went to our YouTube site, you wouldn't see those videos. But now we're able to allow users to see their private and unlisted videos within Blogsy so you can use them in the post even though they don't show up on your main YouTube site. So we're pretty happy about that. Also, if you have set to old embed or iframe video, your settings here, the next time you do in a video, it's going to remember that. Also, we're doing a whole bunch of stuff behind the scenes. Let's see here. Let me open. I'm going to local draft. Okay, let me go over here. So I can't actually show it here because we already fixed it. But Apple automatically adds a bunch of style span HTML code, and we can't block them from doing that. But what we ended up doing is stripping it out. So you no longer will see all that extra HTML Apple code, and when you publish to your blog, it will no longer be in there. So that's all getting stripped out. Also, we changed, Apple's automatically using the B and I tags for bold and italics. We changed it to the more standard strong and EM tags. And one of the biggest reasons is because most themes have styles set up around strong and EM, But if you're publishing using BNI, then that style isn't holding true and you have a conflict in style on your blog. So now we're converting everything to strong and EM. Also, before, if you had JavaScript in your post that you wanted to edit within Blogsy, Blogsy would strip it out. We couldn't use it because it conflicted with the JavaScript we're using to create Blogsy. Well, now we figured that out. And so you'll see here we have JavaScript widget that we put in, and you'll see when you come over to the rich side that we just have a little placeholder to show where that JavaScript will be, and when you go back it'll show up here again, and if you publish it'll be there. So now if you have JavaScript you can use Blogsy. One last thing. Now with Blogger for Blogger users, if you have the same blog with multiple authors, you can set them up in Blogsy. So you can have the same blog with multiple authors using the same iPad to publish posts, obviously as different authors. So now Blogger works in that sense similar to WordPress and our other platforms we support. Oh wow, there's more stuff I want to talk about, but I don't want this video to go on forever. So please come and check out our blog post about this and enjoy Centaur.